Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be setting up my planners for 2021. I do have a couple of different planners that I use, which I will be Frankenplanning. So if you are interested in seeing how I set up my planners for 2021, then please keep watching. Starting with my mini happy planner, I'm just going to go through and remove all the months from 2020. I did use a mini dashboard layout for 2020, and I'm going to continue using the mini dashboard layout for 2021. This planner is for on the go, so in the back I always have a folder, an envelope, and some filler paper for any extra notes or any loose documents I might need to add in. For 2021, I will be using the Find Your Happy Mini Dashboard Happy Planner for on the go. I like to keep 6 months in my mini on the go happy planner. That way I can keep track of upcoming appointments and meetings. I always keep a few sticky notes at the front of my planners, that way I can take note of upcoming appointments to make sure I include them in future spreads. So in this planner, I'm going to be Frankenplanning a couple different planners. I'm starting with the New Day Dashboard Layout Happy Planner. This was an 18th month planner, so I'm going to continue using it because I really like how it has a very neutral layout. I use the dashboard layout as my catch-all planner. I'm going to be removing my journal from this portion of the planner because I'm going to actually be Frankenplanning that with a different planner, which you'll see later on in the video. The next planner I'm adding in is the Teresa vertical planner. I'm going to be using this as a household planner to help me stay on track of everything and anything I need to get done at home. For the cover, I'm using the black quilted cover from the Happy Planner along with the rose gold expander metal discs. prefer to use the expander discs rather than the regular size ones because I find as I plan, my planner tends to get quite thick. The last planner I'll be adding in is the Linear Florals vertical planner, and I'm going to be using this as a wellness and fitness planner. I prefer the vertical layout over the wellness planners because I prefer something more neutral. I'm not sure yet if I'll be decorating these layouts just because the layouts on their own are really pretty. At the back of my planner, I always like to keep some extra filler paper, and this paper I just made by printing out some grid pattern on plain printer paper and adding some washi. I'm also adding an envelope to this section just to keep hold of any important documents or receipts. Also, I am adding some sticky notes to the very front, again to just notate any important dates or upcoming appointments that I need to make note of. I decided to add in the covers from the Linear Florals and the Teresa planners just because they're so pretty and I want to be able to use them. For my work planner, I'm using the cover from the 18-month New Day planner, and in this planner at the front I have some sticky notes, a folder, some DIY dividers that I made, also some DIY productivity pages, some note pages, some Happy Planner filler paper, and just some blank paper at the back. I have this divided accordingly to how I need it for work. For this planner, all I'm going to be doing is changing out the black plastic discs for the gold metal ones. For social media planning, I'm using the Skinny Classic Happy Planner, and this is the Pastel Rainbow 12-month planner, which started in July, so I'm going to continue using this one until it's done. The only thing I'm changing in this planner for 2021 is I'm changing out the colorful plastic discs for the black plastic ones. The last happy planner that I will be using is the Leopard Everything Horizontal Happy Planner. Originally, I used to keep this with my catch-all, my household, and my wellness planner, but this year I'm actually going to Frankenplan this with a gratitude journal. I had picked up the guided journal a few months ago from Michael's, and I had trouble using it on a daily basis. So how I'm going to use it is I'm going to use the daily pages as weekly pages and the weekly page as a monthly reflection. For the last section in this planner, I'm going to add in some DIY filler paper that I made, and I'm going to use this to keep track of anything that I'm reading. I'm only going to keep 3 months at a time in this planner, so what I'm going to do is remove the remaining months, and I'm going to keep them with the extra pages that I have for my gratitude journal. So that's my lineup for 2021, 6 planners and 1 guided journal. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.